Welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how absolute beginners can start learning hacking the right way. Right now, we are on CTFlearn challenge page. You can see different categories like web, cryptography, etc. Since we are beginners, we will start this with easy challenge, basic injection. Right click to open the exercise in a new tab. Here is the playground and it says if you leak the whole database, click on the link. Now before randomly typing, the first thing I always do is to check page source because many CTF challenges leave useful hints, usernames or comments hidden inside the HTML code. Here are some names. Let's try few of these names. Noah, Luke, nothing much. This tells us something very important. The input is probably connected to database query and might be vulnerable to SQL injection. Time to play. Type this payload. Let me explain this. Single quote closes the original database query, or 1 equals to 1 is always true, and hash comments out the rest of query. Click on submit. Perfect. Here is the data. Let's look for a flag. Here it is. Copy the flag. Let's get back to the challenge page. Paste it. Submit. And it's done. You solved the challenge. This was a beginner friendly example of how SQL injection works. This is how exactly you should practice, step by step, legally, and hands on. Now that this challenge is done, let's move on to the next category.